event we had was an open house and local competition where we had our plumbers, pipe fitters, and HVAC service technicians competing in the contest to see who can actually move on to our tri-state contest.
It's kind of a competition of our peers to kind of see who's going to have the best day under pressure.
It's just like the best way to see where you really stand at. You know, the best of the best apprentices are in that competition, so it's the best way to figure out where you're at.
I mean, the tools we used, we got the same ones out in the field, all the material, everything else, yeah, it's something we work on a daily basis.
These challenges are complex, and then the pressure to do the best that you possibly can, and knowing that you're representing your company and your fellow friends, and then at the end of the day, you're answering for yourself.
So you gotta think of what you've learned over the past couple of years and try to do it the textbook right way.
But at the end of the day, sitting there, studying it closely, just resorting back to your training, you eventually prevail.
I tell you, for me, the biggest highlight moment was actually the portion where the 6 apprentices were in front of the actual students, and they gave their own testimonies of what they went through, how the day-to-day life is. This is what you're getting paid. You're going to school. You're going to be here 2 nights a week. Is it easy? No, it's not. You may be in hot weather, cold weather, you know. Being really realistic with a lot of these students to know this is what you're getting, you know, into. You're getting into a pension, a retirement, an annuity, health insurance. They said it themselves because they've got it themselves.
Just thinking about the possibility that I inspired somebody to come join our trade and join our craft, it's one of a kind.
I probably would have started plumbing a lot earlier if I'd been able to come to one of these and be able to see that and the training that goes into it, yeah.
I would have been grateful for the opportunity to tour this place when I was in high school, because I didn't even know that this place was here.
I feel like there's a little bit of luck and a little bit of skill that goes into it, but at the end of the day, I feel like there's always room to improve myself in it, and I look forward to going on to the next level.
If I win at New Orleans, well, that pretty much means I'm one of the best apprentices in the Southeast. I would not mind putting down on my resume one of the damn best plumbers in the Southeast, and actually have paper to prove it.
I think that we all just want to get better, you know? I feel like the better guys I work around and weld around, the better I get. And I really believe that, because every time I start thinking I'm good, there's somebody way better than me that humbles me, you know what I mean? But I can learn from them, so I'm grateful for that.
So personally for me, to be representing the local and my company, it's an honor. You feel very privileged to be in that position. To have a school that invests in you and your employer investing in you to help you succeed in something is one of a kind. You don't get it anywhere else.
I mean, I got into it with one of my peers. Me and him both were competing against each other. We weren't really planning to win the competition. We just wanted to see who could beat who. So now I've kind of changed mindsets. I really just want to see how far I can get, if not win the whole thing. I guess I'm in it to win it.